Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. I have got requests from my friends to make fish curries. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. So let's get started and look at the ingredients. 3 pomfrets cut in slices of 1 inch thickness, half fresh coconut cut in small pieces, 9 Kashmiri red chilies, 1 onion finely chopped, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, half teaspoon dry fenugreek seeds, 1.5 teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 12 to 15 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger roughly chopped, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 15 to 20 curry leaves, 10 to 12 kokum soaked in water, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves finely chopped, salt to taste, oil and water. First we'll put fish in a bowl. Now we'll put salt, turmeric powder, lemon juice and mix well and keep it to marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Next in a pan put 1 teaspoon oil, red chilies, curry leaves, fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds, black peppercorns, cumin seeds, fennel seeds and roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now in a mixer jar put roasted spices, coconut, half onion, garlic, ginger, water and grind well and make fine paste. Next in a pan put 2 tablespoons oil, remaining onion, few curry leaves and saute until golden brown. Now add grounded paste and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add water and cook until it boils well. Now add salt and turmeric powder and mix well. Now add marinated fish and kokum and mix well and cook it on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Now put coriander leaves. Piping hot delicious pomfret fish curry is ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more interesting and tasty recipes. Till then, take very good care of yourself and your family. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.